Hi, Ben here, and we're down on the coast today, and it seems the absolute perfect location to show you this new knife that we've just finished, because this one is called the Pirate Trapper. So here is the Pirate Trapper. So this is a 4-inch version of our Trapper model. So it's got our Trapper handle on it, but a much longer blade. Now this design came about because we were asked by Aldo Kane. You might have seen him on the TV recently on the latest series of The Bridge on Channel 4. Well, Aldo was going out there at the beginning of the year and he needed a knife that was going to be able to cope with those kind of conditions out in Vietnam. So he wanted something that was extremely durable. So we've gone for desert ironwood handle scales, thick red G10 liners that make it look really nice, an ABL blade, so a fully stainless steel blade. And we called it the Pirate Trapper because we etched a little pirate flag motif on there. So really cool design, very comfortable and able to cope with those kind of harsh environments. If you're out on the trail, if you're near the sea, if you're near salt water, the ABL stainless steel is absolutely perfect for that. The other thing that I found with the ABL, having used it for a few years now, is it performs like a true stainless steel, but it is so easy to sharpen. Like, a lot of people are put off stainless steels because they think that they're going to have to use a diamond stone to sharpen it. This you can sharpen with your normal whetstones or even sandpaper like you would an 01 blade, but with no fear of corrosion, especially if you're going to be using it for food prep or in wet conditions if you're going to take it on a canoe bushcraft trip. And the desert ironwood obviously has got this beautiful figure into it, but is again naturally durable, full of natural oils that are going to keep it very stable in whatever kind of temperature or humidity that you're in. So we've gone for stainless fittings on this. Like the other trappers, we tend to use the 1/4 inch loveless bolts rather than the bigger 3/8, and that just keeps it a little bit understated but still plenty of strength. And those thicker G10 liners give it just a little bit more bulk to the handle as well, making sure that if you've got big hands, you're going to have plenty of comfortable grip there. You're not going to get any hot spots when using it for long periods. So this one, again, because we're going to be using it in different environments, we've gone for 2 sheaths. So we've gone for a traditional leather belt sheath, and this is in our Orford tan leather. So this is a nice deep fitting Scandi style sheath with just a simple belt loop on the back of it. So no poppers, no straps to hold the knife in position, but a nice deep wet moulded fit, so no fear of that knife falling out if you're actually out on the trail with it. And if you know that you're going to get it very, very wet, or if you might fall in the water if you're in a canoe or a boat, we've also given you the Kydex sheath option. So this is in OD green. This isn't going to get any problems with getting totally soaked and saturated because it's got a big drain hole in the bottom to allow any excess water to run out. And you've got this soft webbing belt loop that allows plenty of easy comfort when you're carrying it on your belt if you've got a Bergen on, or if you've got a buoyancy aid, something like that. So real nice retention, little thumb ramp there to help get the knife out, but yeah, absolutely zero fear of that knife falling out that sheath. So yeah, that is the Pirate Trapper. This is a sort of replica of the one that we made for Aldo Kane. He's been using it out in those different environments and really happy with it. So we thought we'd give you the option of owning a knife like Aldo's. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the Pirate Trapper and all its special features. And if you want to be cool like Aldo Kane, or if you're in a remote area and you need to get to an island and build a bridge, maybe this is the perfect knife for helping you do that. So this knife will be available on the store. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. And we hope you enjoy seeing these videos, and we will see you next time.